The Minister of Development Aid, Mr. Muller, and the Minister of Employment, Mr. Heil, visited Desta PLC. Reasons are fair working conditions and the conduct of the German economy because Desta PLC produces for a German supplier.
Conduct freedom of association, which we have a labor union. You'll meet some of the representatives here, so they have that, and any compliance with laws and workforce regulations we also do. And we also have a health and safety committee, which you'll see them as we walk through in different departments related to safety. So we'll be going through, and then what you'll see on the table is some of our policies. The company's policies are clearly visible, so you could see the policies put on the table for you to evaluate. On the right side is the expansion project, which is under construction currently. Yes, so currently we have about 300 employees, and we also apply the same code of conduct in that factory. First aid. So each department, as we'll see later on, we have their pictures here. The health and safety team on each floor.
According to the New York University Stern Center for Business and Human Rights, the base pay for textile industry workers in Ethiopia amounts to only $26 a month. The ministers Muller and Heil visited Desta PLC. The monthly minimum wage for operators here is $80, far more than the average. There is pension insurance, overtime is paid. In every department, employees were trained in first aid and fire protection. Helmets and breathing masks are hanging on the wall. This is how the ministers, Muller and Heil, envision a proper supplier. Desta PLC is committed to the fair treatment of its employees and adherence to guiding principles of sustainability, setting it apart from the trajectory this industry has taken in many other countries. Desta is accredited by international standard and compliance organizations. For example, it was awarded the Worldwide Responsible Accredited Production Certificate known as RAP. It passed an audit by the Business Social Compliance Initiative, BSCI, proof that Desta has created suitable working conditions and takes care of employees. Desta undergoes a social audit twice a year by SGS, a leading inspection and certification company headquartered in Switzerland. Desta provides some of the finest stitching and needlework available in Ethiopia. The embroidery units use sophisticated computerized machines to produce high-quality patches and logos. We utilize Saruba machines with a variety of configurations. The accessory cords unit produces different types of accessory cords, including circular and flat designs. The cords can be produced based on the client's color and design preferences. Several of Desta's clients use the accessory cords for shoelaces, while others use them as draw cords for bags and sports clothing. Desta specializes in producing uniforms, t-shirts, and other fashion items for buyers in Europe, the United States, and Ethiopia. Desta is equipped with state-of-the-art machines. From design to cutting, sewing, ironing, and finishing. The garment process starts with the patterning unit, which is led by an international expert. Once the patterns are complete, Desta uses 4 cutting and layering tables with high-tech cutting knives, which deliver high-quality cuts and establish the shape of the garment.